Are you experiencing yellowed, oxidized, cloudy headlights? Most shops will offer you a temporary, quick restoration. In Guam's sun, salt, and humidity, those temporary restorations don't stand a chance. At our shop, we don't just clean your headlights, we permanently restore them. Here's how it works. We begin by masking around the headlights to protect your paint and trim during the restoration process. Next, we carefully sand the lens using multi-grits to remove all the oxidation, the yellowing, and the surface damage. This preps the surface for a smooth, clear finish. Once the surface is fully prepped, we use a polish compound and a dual action polisher to restore the lens to its optimal clarity. This brings the headlight back to its like-new appearance, but we don't just stop there. To protect the clarity long term, we apply a high quality paint protection film over the entire lens. This clear film acts as a shield against the UV rays, salty air, road debris, and future oxidation. The film is edge sealed and heat activated to ensure a clean, bubble-free finish that bonds to the lens surface. The results is crystal clear headlights that are protected for up to 8 years, guaranteed. Better visibility, better safety, and better value. Book your permanent headlight restoration and we'll include your fog lamps.